Hi, Mike McGrath with Semantrix. This is a demonstration of the SemanticFusion Situational Awareness Core. In this case, controlling a UAV search activity. In this case, we have two UAVs, one fast UAV with a low resolution sensor, and the second a fast UAV with a low resolution sensor. Obviously, we'll scan an area with the fast UAV, target designated potential points of interest, and pass those on as a list of investigation tasks to a second UAV, which will then go and do a detailed scan in the immediate vicinity of that point of interest. This actually uses three agents, one agent to coordinate, and two agents which interact with the individual UAVs. So loading that scenario and quickly positioning our log so we can see how the system will behave. So we start our system, we actually have a number of COIs or task requests. In this case, we start the search. The UAV scout is sent out, has picked up object 2 as the first object of interest and passed that on to UAV follow-up to carry out a detailed investigation. UAV scout will continue with a grid search, and UAV follow-up will go to the designated object. UAV scout's now about to pick up object 3, a tank, which will be sent targeted and sent to the UAV follow-up. Now we can trigger off a low fuel condition in the detailed UAV, which will go off, refuel, and then return and carry on the task which was actually being requested. So once the low fuel condition has been rectified, it then returns and continues to scouting out object 3. Now we could also trigger off a return to base from that UAV, which will go back to base, i.e. there was potentially a threat in the area. Again, it will then continue on with retasking and continuing with its appropriate behaviours. As soon as we've then completed the remainder of the activities, we can end the search patterns and each vehicle will return to its starting point. As you can see, again, this is a reasonably complex activity, but easily managed using a combination of simple agents and behavioural responses to specify conditions of interest. Seen an object, register that particular activity, trigger off a tasking request to the second UAV, which then queues those, and it continues. Again, very easy to model, very easy to develop in this system. Literally minutes of work in many cases. Thank you.